Hello everyone. Festival season has arrived and this is a time for each and every lady in the house busy with cleaning the house, cleaning the cobwebs, cleaning the utensils, especially the vessels used for the puja, that is of silver, copper and brass. And when it comes to cleaning for a working lady like me, I keep on finding ways to find shortcuts of how to reduce my time in scrubbing and cleaning those utensils. So here I come with various hacks, simple tips of reducing the time used for cleaning of silver, brass and copper articles. The first article which I am talking about is cleaning of brass. Brass was used by our ancestors. I have seen my great granny and granny using brass vessels for cooking and storing. But nowadays it's being used only for the decorative purposes. But during festive season, we keep in mind that we do have to clean those brass articles which are kept for show also. So I would come up with simple hacks of cleaning these brass items within a short span of time without wasting much on scrubbing and rubbing and cleaning it. First step of cleaning the brass item is use lemon with baking soda, and the chilka, the lemon peel, can be used to mix this solution and rub on the article. Leave it for few minutes and then rinse in water. The second tip is you can rub gently the toothpaste which we regularly use. Leave it for few seconds or few minutes, then rinse it with water. Third tip is you can use dishwasher liquid plus vinegar, lemon and salt. Make it into solution, rub gently on the brass item, leave it for few minutes and then rinse with water. So this is the easiest way which does not involve more of rubbing, scrubbing. Coming to copper. It's an age-old tradition by we Indians of following a practice of storing water in copper vessels. We do follow this in our houses even now. The problem with this is few of us start storing it as soon as the black precipitation or the stain happens on the copper vessels, we stop using it. So simple tip for removal of these stains are here. It's a traditional way where I have been brought up in my house. The way of cleaning copper vessels is by using tamarind with rangoli powder or with salt. So before every festival, it was a ritual for we ladies to clean all the copper vessels with these ingredients. It would take a day or half a day for us to clean all those vessels. Now I have come up with simple tips of cleaning the copper vessels. First one is the traditional way, that is rangoli powder or salt with tamarind. Second tip is using pitambari, which is very fast compared to the first tip. Third tip is using lemon juice with baking soda and vinegar. Fourth tip is the ketchup, which might sound a little bit weird, but ketchup, when applied on these copper vessels, if left for a few minutes and rinsed with water, you do find lot of stains erased. Fifth tip is ketchup with vinegar plus salt and rub it with the lemon peel, leave it for a few minutes and rinse with water. Sixth one is ash with orange or orange peel with salt. Rub this gently on the surface of the copper vessel, leave it for few minutes. and rinse it with water. Another simple tip is boiling water with lemon juice, rubbing on these vessels will help you clear the stains. Copper plays a vital role in keeping ourselves healthy. A lot of benefits are there from usage of copper. So storing of water is one such thing. In Ayurveda, the three doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, are balanced in our body by usage of this copper. It's a natural remedy for avoiding wrinkles and fine lines. It also helps in breakdown of fat and reduction in weight. It is good for digestion, and usage of copper helps in detoxing the body and healing of wounds early. It is antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. It beats hypertension, lowers cholesterol and thyroid malfunction. It also helps in reducing arthritis pain and helps in skin health and melanin production. Now coming to cleaning of silver articles, which of course is my favorite one because it used to take a lot of time for me to clean these vessels. Tips for cleaning silver vessels are vinegar in hot water, rinse the articles for few minutes, then rinse it with water. Again, toothpaste applied on this article, leave it for few minutes, about half an hour, and then rinse it with water. The best tip is boil the water, add 2 to 3 aluminium foils into it and the baking soda. Allow it to boil. Put your vessels, silver vessels, into that. You can see immediate decoloration. Of course, I have not done fully because my mom believes that following this practice will erode the silver articles after many usages. So I have not left my silver articles for a long time in this hot water, but this actually removes the black stains on silver articles. The next tip is vinegar, baking soda, mix it with each other, prepare a solution, leave the articles inside that for an hour and then rinse it with water. One more tip to keep the good shine on silver articles is ash or milk can be mixed with water and rinse the silver articles in that. Keep it for few minutes and then rinse it with water. Silver has copper content in it, because of which when silver is exposed to air, starts getting black stains on it. So the best way to avoid is, after rinsing in water, wipe it with the clean cloth, wrap it in a cloth or keep the articles in the Ziploc cover or keep it in a box. Put few camphor pieces, andre karpurada pieces, inside this box. Don't get rubber articles like rubber gloves or rubber bands near silver articles, which results in getting the stains on these articles. Don't put silver articles in the dishwasher because due to various degrees of temperature, this might again cause erosion. It's an age-old tradition followed by we Indians that when a kid is born, we keep in mind that we feed the kid the food served in silver bowl and silver spoon. So the reason behind this is silver helps in strong metabolism. It increases the brain power. It fights against the diseases. It is antibacterial. but I would like to give a tip here. There is often discoloration of the silver when it comes in contact with certain foods. Of course, it's not poisonous, but this results in change in taste of the food. Hope you have liked my video, which has these simple tips of cleaning the silver, brass and copper articles. Please do give the comments below in the comment section, and any improvement on my video suggestions are always welcome. Please don't forget to share, like and also subscribe my video, my channel if you have not subscribed till date. Don't forget to click on the bell icon